Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Lux Cove 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor. So this sculptor has got really popular on social media and a lot of people are talking about it. So today we're going to do an in-depth review of this product. As you can see, they are advertising them as a really good and bestseller product, which is also seen in Glamour, Vogue, and many other different popular things. Once I try to dive deeper, I go to know they're providing a lot of discounts, and they've also added a lot of uh, positive reviews on their official website, but we never know if those reviews are actually authentic or not. So I tried searching for this product on some legit platforms such as Amazon. I got to know this product is also available on Amazon, and it has overall 3.3 rating, which is pretty much a decent rating out of 5 stars. But a little bit concerning thing is it's only based on 14 reviews, which means not a lot of people have purchased this product yet, and the same products are available on many other accounts as well. So this is also a concerning thing because there are a lot of duplicates available. We never know which ones is authentic. And once I tried searching for the reviews of this website, the official website, I got to know the Lux Cove brand actually has a very good rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars, and which is based on 300 plus reviews. So this is a good signal about this product, and it is a UK based company. But the major red flag is once I tried searching for the domain name information of their official website, I get to know the curate object does not exist, which means like this site is not registered officially on some authentic platform. So in conclusion, I would say like this product could be a scam and you should avoid purchasing this item. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.